Hi, I'm Vincent Hayworth. I'm a SBA relationship manager for Altera Bank. There's two different types of financing, bank financing that a client can look at. There's conventional financing, and then there's SBA financing. SBA financing is a government-backed loan that most banks and credit unions participate with. And what the SBA does is it provides a little bit more insurance on a loan. So it reduces the risk for a bank. And it's a really good program, and a lot of businesses would not be able to qualify for a loan if it wasn't for an SBA-backed loan. There's all kinds of different uses for bank financing. You can use it to acquire a business. You can use it to purchase equipment for your business. You can purchase real estate. It can be used for working capital. So if you need to purchase additional inventory to market your product, that's also a good one. You can also, there's all kinds of different things, but a line of credit could be used for seasonality. So if you have a lawn care business and you're really busy during the summer, you have more cash, but during the winter, times are a little bit slower, so you can use that line of credit to keep your business afloat. There's just all kinds of different, there's really no end to what you could do with the financing available. One of the main things that you can do is get familiar with the business that you want to go into. If you're wanting to open up a restaurant, make sure that you understand the industry inside and out. Go work in a restaurant. Seek out people that have owned a restaurant. Surrounding yourself with mentors that are in the industry. People that have been business owners and maybe not necessarily in that industry that can help advise you. There's going to right here at Johnson County Community College, taking courses on how to start a business. And then there's also additional resources all throughout Kansas City that can help supplement that and help you get together a business plan. So when you do come in to get bank financing, you'll be ready to go. There's all kinds of different advantages, but like an SBA type loan will allow you a longer amortization. So versus a conventional type loan where you may only receive a 5-year term, but on an SBA loan, you can get up to a 10-year note. So if you think about your payments of 5-year term versus a 10-year term, it allows you a lot more flexibility. Especially when you're first starting out in business after you get that loan. It allows for a lower payment amount, so that way you have more capital to work with. The main disadvantage to an SBA loan is the interest rate's going to be just a couple points higher than a traditional conventional loan. There is going to be a little bit more paperwork involved with an SBA loan as opposed to a conventional. The other part is there may be some collateral requests to most oftentimes with an SBA loan, if you have equity in your home, that will be asked for collateral. So those are the main differences, but on the other side of it, an SBA loan without the insurance is a loan that maybe a bank or a credit union would not do without an SBA guarantee. I'd say the biggest tips and advice that I can give a future business owner is to surround yourself with a great team. It's really important to make sure you have your mentors in place. You pick a business that you love too. You're gonna be doing this 24/7, and so it's really important to be passionate about what you do. Again, seek out people in your industry and learn and get advice from them, and use all the resources that are available to you in Kansas City. A lot of them are free or very discounted, and there's a ton of people out there that are willing to help.